It just didn't make sense to us to sell to a bigger consolidator and then have them walk in, change our name, change our culture with quality. Very few things have changed. My name is Brian Nichols. I'm the Chief Development Officer for Quality Collision Group. I was a former owner of Cascade Collision for 24 years. We were 8-store MSO in Utah. We had about 215 employees. We were at a point where we kind of needed to make a decision, like what do we do? Do we stay growing slowly and over time, or do we kind of join and merge with a bigger group and help grow us a little faster? We took a look at several private equity folks, like 14 different private equity folks. I don't know, you need to put that in there, but ultimately we decided to go with QCG, and we didn't have to make a decision to go with anybody. I mean, we could have just said, hey, that was a good experience. It wasn't what we're looking for. We're going to keep growing slow. The big thing for us is that people wanted to keep our name, and we wanted to continue doing very high quality repairs. That's what Cascade's always been about, and it's been a great transition for everybody. I look at my job right now as an opportunity to just share my experience with another shop owner. Ultimately, I'm never going to convince somebody to sell their shop. They have to want to sell their shop, right? They have to be ready for it, and they have to know that that they're selling it to somebody that is going to continue their legacy. And Quality Collision can do that and has done that. Not only carry the name, but carry on. There's a lot of shop owners out there that really want they want to do high quality work. They want to be known for high quality work. And those are the shops we're looking for, shops that are highly certified, and we're not anti-insurance. We're just pro OEM. And we want to continue to fix the car the way the car should be repaired, and give the customer back something that they're very happy with, and that our technicians and our employees can be proud of.